Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Wednesday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. It's been a very mild start with temperatures in the low 30s, but don't get used to that. It's kind of opposite day today. We're starting off warm and then temperatures fall as the day goes on. That's because a cold front is coming through this morning. Now at times it's given us a little bit of light snow or flurries or maybe even some patchy freezing drizzle. We can't rule out some patchy slick spots out there this morning. Just be aware of that. And we've also seen some drifting snow overnight. That's adding to the slick conditions in some spots. Otherwise, we go through the day today. Temperatures continue to go down even though the clouds will decrease. We'll end up with some sunshine this afternoon. Looking at 23 degrees at 2 p.m. down to the upper teens by early this evening. Once we lose the sunshine, the free fall continues. Below zero there by 2 a.m. Look at those wind chills, 15 degrees below zero. All the way down to record lows for tonight. These are not the potential wind chills. These are the actual temperatures we're expecting. Down to the low and mid-teens for most of us, maybe just a little bit warmer along the Mississippi River. Now that's because high pressure is moving over the state, and that's the core of that really cold Arctic air. It's basically right overhead. We also have mostly clear skies and a light northwest wind to kind of keep those temperatures cold, along with that deep snowpack, by the way. One thing we'll look out for, though, is some patchy fog showing up. If that happens, it would be freezing fog, which can deposit more ice onto bridges and overpasses, roads, sidewalks, especially anything untreated. So it could continue to be a little bit icy, especially with any refreezing that happens with these cold temperatures. And these will be record setting, not even close. I mean, the records are in the single digits below zero. We're looking at the teens below zero for most, so everybody should have a new record by the time the sun comes up tomorrow. Looking at the wind chills too, as cold as 20 or 25 below for tonight. And so I would not be surprised to hear of some 2-hour delays tomorrow. That is a possibility. We'll keep the wind chills between 15 below and 0 degrees throughout the day on Thursday and Thursday night. Then should get a little bit milder as we go into the weekend. But looking at the highs for tomorrow, they're going to be right around 10 degrees. Even with the sunshine, it'd be just a really cold sunshine and a light south wind. Now, some of these high temperatures could be really close to record cold highs as well. I think we maybe set some new ones in Cedar Rapids and Iowa City. Will be really close in Dubuque and Waterloo. Then, again, turning milder this weekend, back to the 20s for highs, but that will come with a chance for some snow late Saturday into Saturday night. Right now, a chance for some accumulations. Depends heavily on how the Clipper system will track. If it's further south, probably pulling a lot of the snow away from us. Further north, some will see snow, others won't. So that's a big thing that we're looking at right now. But this is kind of an idea of what you can expect coming in late Saturday, or I should say, late Saturday, into Saturday night. There's that snow that shows up. Most of it does fall overnight Saturday into early Sunday morning, and then we'll track out for Sunday. So it could be a few more inches of new accumulations there. We'll see what happens. Otherwise, in the meantime, it's temperatures going down through tonight and into tomorrow, going up for Friday into the 20s with more clouds. And then just kind of up and down through the weekend to a high of 20 on Sunday and then milder for early next week as we're in the mid to upper 20s Monday and Tuesday.